250 grams of pasta in boiling water. Stir until it boils. From the boiling point, it takes 10 minutes to cook. Drain the water and set aside. A drizzle of olive oil. Add 1 chopped leek. Add 1 chopped garlic clove. Add salt. Add black pepper. 250 grams of sweet corn. 250 grams of peas. 300 grams of tuna in pieces. Add the pasta. 300 milliliters of fresh cream. Add coriander. Cook for about 10 minutes. Place it in a baking dish. 300 grams of cheddar cheese. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. It looks amazing. Enjoy!